What's up, Roughnecks? This is Source Rex here, and this is the secret construction site cannon. So, I decided that I wanted to make another secret cannon because people seem to like that. And this is the construction site cannon. Now, this is also next to Disong Tower. You know what? Let's do pigs. We always enjoy pigs, don't we? Pigs are so much fun to shoot out of the cannon. Do a bunch more of you piggies. Come on, piggies. There we go. There we go. Let's go down here. We're going to grab some granadas. Let's grab some granadas. There they are. We're gonna... Oops. I need to build a better spot to lay these grenades. I haven't done it yet. I just decided to lay them out flat here, like... And that is the secret construction site. Oh! What are you doing? Oh, you brought me. There we go. Alright. Thank you, Roughnecks, for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. We met the goal of 200 Roughnecks on Christmas. Even though it was after midnight, we'll still call it meeting the goal. I appreciate it. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video.